All right, so this is just a sample part. I just want to show you some datum reference information and new alignments or secondary or more alignments in Calypso. So basically, when we get into, I'm just going to do true position, okay? And I have some random features here. I'm going to go to form location, I'm going to go true position. And there's no, the main focus here is about the datums and what some of this stuff's about. So what I usually do is my base alignment, the original alignment in Calypso, normally is my primary datum alignment, my ABC or whatever the main datum alignment is on the workpiece. Okay, if there's more than one datum reference frame on a workpiece, then okay, some of the questions that come up is, do you have multiple alignments like you would with PC-DMIS? Because that is something that I used to do in PC-DMIS. I know there are datum reference frames, verse alignments, or current alignment in PC-DMIS, but in Calypso, there's a couple different things you can do. So I'm just going to pick a feature, and I'm going to pick cylinder 1. Okay, this is in metric now. I'm going to show you at the end how to change that quick. But right now it's base alignment, so it's coming from that original datum reference frame. That's fine. What if you don't want to use the base alignment? Let's say it's another one. There's a couple of ways you can do that. I can go in and I can say, let's say this is A, B, C. There's your datum reference frame for true position 1. And you can continue and reselect each time if you want. That's fine, it flows. Or you can go in here and you can go to Save Datum Reference Frame, and you can say this is ABC. I don't have a drawing, I'm just saying this would be ABC, whatever they are. You can name them whatever you want. Hit OK. Alright, so now that datum reference frame is saved right here. Okay, again, primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, now if I do a new true position, brand new, and I select the same feature, all right, because again, that's not the point of this. I can go to this pull down and go to Load Datum Reference Frame, and ABC is there again, and there it is. So there's no need to reselect again. You can keep using it over and over again. All right. So you have the option of using the base alignment. Okay. I wouldn't worry about alignment of features. It's base alignment, or you can load a datum reference frame that you previously used in another characteristic. Now, the other way to do this, if I X out of here, is if you go to Resources, Utilities, and Alignment, you get a new alignment. Here it is in the characteristics. This alignment, okay, we'll tweak it around. So let's say we want this plane is, I think, is plane 5. Okay, and for planar rotation, we'll use this plane, and we'll use this plane. Okay, and Z origin here, we'll use this plane. Okay, this alignment, when you do a new one, isn't quite as intuitive as your original base alignment, so it doesn't flow as well. But anyway, let's say we're using this one. Okay, and we'll hit OK. And I'm going to rename this, CDA, something. Again, I'm not even paying attention to what's what. I'm just saying that this is another datum reference frame. Or it could be ABC again. It doesn't matter. It's just another method to do it. So there's another alignment. And this alignment does nothing. The base alignment is still prioritized. Okay. So let's do another true position. And again, the order is also sort of irrelevant. Okay. As usual. So what I usually do when I do this method is this is just an alignment that I can reference later. Okay. You can't, at least that I have not found, that it does not supersede this alignment. All right. So this is just another tool to use, like a datum reference frame call out. Okay. So again, like right now, if we went and did a distance, let's say this was kicked 180, the XYZ, if you do like a size standards X, is still going to be from the base alignment. In my experience, that's what I have ran into. So what this thing comes and what I've used it for is if you go back in a formal location and go to true position, okay, and we pick again cylinder 1 because again that's not the point, and we go to alignment feature, we can go to alignment and go to there's CDA. Okay, there's CDA. So that's just another way to have datum reference frames, and you could have a bunch of different alignments. Again, alignments is in resources, utilities, alignment. Okay. So hopefully that's helpful. Those are, that's 3 ways. Again, you can go in, you can click them every time. Click them right in the screen, it fills it in. You can go in and you would save that, save the alignment from one and then load it. Okay, and they're in there. The other option is to do a new alignment in again, resources, utilities, and alignment up on top. And then that is just a datum reference frame that is separate from the base alignment. Or you could use the base alignment. So we go to true position here and go to base alignment. So now it's referencing the datum reference frame is the base alignment. So it's up to you. Those are just some options you have. Hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks.